everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about inflammation. If you're new to my channel, welcome. In the description box, you'll find links to my previous videos. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Also share your thoughts and drop your questions in the comment section. So guys, under inflammation, I'll be talking about introduction and terminology, etiology, types and systemic effects of inflammation. So in today's video, I'll be talking about introduction and terminology. What is inflammation? The word inflammation was derived from the Latin word inflammare, which means to set on fire. Okay, now let's define inflammation. Inflammation is a complex process of vascular and cellular alterations that occur in the body in response to injury. The key words here are, the first one, complex process. This means that inflammation is not a simple process, it is a complex process. The next keyword, vascular and cellular alterations. This simply means changes in the blood vessels and blood cells within the blood vessels. And the last keyword, response to injury. This means that inflammation only occurs when there is an injury, that's in response to the injury. Inflammation is a very important event in the body that activates the existing defense mechanisms in the circulating blood to dilute, neutralize, or kill the irritants or causative agents. So it is said that immunity is the resistance of the body, while inflammation is the activation of that immunity. This means that the immunity is already there, and the job of inflammation is to activate this immunity so that it will do its work. And what is the work of the immunity? The work of the immunity is to dilute, neutralize, or kill the irritant or causative agent. So inflammation activates this immunity to do its work. And that makes inflammation very beneficial to the body, except when it is chronic or of immune origin. Chronic means when it lasts for a very long time. So when inflammation lasts for a very long time, it is no longer beneficial to the body. Inflammation starts with a subletal injury and ends with healing. So this statement means that inflammation begins when tissue is damaged but not destroyed. That's what subletal injury means. The tissue is damaged but not destroyed and ends with healing. So inflammation may occur in any organ or tissue of the body depending upon the type of injury and irritants. The inflamed state of an organ is called most often with a suffix itis. The suffix itis means inflammation, although there are some exceptions. Okay guys, I also have a video on medical terminology. The link is in my description box. Let's look at some examples. I said that the inflamed state of an organ is called most often with a suffix itis, and I said the suffix itis means inflammation. So here we have abomasum. Abomasum is also known as the true stomach of ruminants. So the inflamed state of the abomasum is known as abomascitis. That's a combination of abomasum, which is the root word, and itis. Itis, which is the suffix. So combination of abomasum and itis will give us abomascitis, which is the inflammation of the abomasum. Let's get more examples. We have here artery. Inflammation of the artery is known as arthritis. Bile duct. Inflammation of the bile duct, cholangitis. Bone and bone marrow, osteomyelitis. Brain, encephalitis. Cecum, typhlitis. Crop, inguvitis. ear, otitis, connective tissue, cellulitis, eyelid, blepharitis, eyes, ophthalmitis, fat, statitis, gland penis, balanitis, gums, gingivitis, heart, carditis, intestine, enteritis, joints, arthritis, kidney, nephritis, liver, hepatitis, lungs, pneumonitis or pneumonia, lymph nodes, lymphadenitis, mouth cavity, stomatitis, muscle, myositis, nails, onychia, nasal passage, rhinitis, ovary, oophorytis, oviduct, salpingitis, prepuce, prostatitis, skin, dermatitis, spinal cord, myelitis, stomach, gastritis, testis, orchitis, tongue, glossitis, urinary bladder, cystitis, uterus, metritis. Okay guys, remember I said that inflammation may occur in any organ or tissue of the body. So I just mentioned few organs and their inflamed states, what their inflamed states are called, sorry. So I may not be able to mention all the organs in the animal body and what their inflamed states are called to make this video too long. So remember I said that the inflamed state of an organ is called most often with a suffix itis, and I said there are some exceptions, and I think I mentioned two of them in this video: pneumonia and onychia. There are so many others. And guys, don't forget the keywords: complex process, vascular and cellular alterations, response to injury. Inflammation is a complex process of vascular and cellular alterations that occurs in the body in response to injury. And also don't forget that it is very beneficial to the body because it activates the already existing immunity to do its job of diluting, neutralizing, or killing the irritants and causative agents. And that's it for today's video, guys. Don't forget the keywords and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.